Introducing AI Assistant by Sage AI Writer. The whole idea behind AI Assistant is to give you full control over what data is sent to OpenAI and cover any custom use cases you may have. To better elaborate on this, let me give you an example. Let's assume that we have a blog and at the end of every post, we want to add a couple of song lines to summarize it. Weird and out of box, isn't it? So how do we do that? Go to Sage AI Writer and then AI Assistant. Let's create a new prompt and name it as create a song, and in the prompt text add use the content and turn it into a 2-line song. Save the changes and we are ready to roll. Let's go to posts. First let's do this using WordPress Classic Editor. Select the text you want to turn into a song and from Sage AI option, select the prompt. Wait for the magic to happen, and here we go. Now try the same thing on another post with Gutenberg Editor. The steps are pretty similar and so are the results. So AI Assistant gives you full control over what you want to do using OpenAI in your website. It's this easy and fun. Thanks for watching. The download link for the plugin is in description.